Well, no snow today, and now skies are starting to clear, and it is going to be cold tonight. Single numbers both above and below zero. How about your Friday as we start? 13 weather ball is a green. No change to the cold weather pattern foreseen headed into the weekend. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. It's day 3 in the month of February. We forecast a 20 for a high, and we match that with 20. That's a bullseye. And 2 days in a row, we've been within 3 degrees of our forecast. Check out the forecast tonight as skies clear. Winds will stay a little bit out of the north. Won't get quite as cold if the winds were calm, but nonetheless, the wind chills will drop down below zero after midnight, and they'll stay there early tomorrow morning, and actual temperatures will be down into the single numbers and only recover into the upper teens tomorrow. No snow today after the 5.1 yesterday. We have closed that deficit a little bit for the winter months since September. 4.5 inches below for the winter season, and for the season itself, only 2.2 on the shy side. We'll have more on the way, but here's all the snow that has fallen so far from Oklahoma all the way up through portions of western Pennsylvania. There has been anywhere between about 12 to 16 inches worth of snow, including St. Joseph in southwest lower Michigan. And this is an ice storm that has been occurring, a quarter to a third of an inch of ice, and this is just devastating for folks in Tennessee and Kentucky. Still, ice storm warnings in through here. No winter warnings here, at least in lower Michigan. All the winter storm warnings are down to our south and east. This is the dividing line right in through here, with rain to the south and east and freezing rain, sleet, and snow to the north and west, still affecting the Detroit area. But for us, we've got clearing skies with that northeast wind. This is 11 o'clock tonight, 2 a.m. We might see a few clouds come in very early tomorrow morning, but nonetheless, it should be a very quiet day until the end of the afternoon. There's going to be some lake effect eddies that will start to come on shore between about 4 and 9 o'clock. This could put down some very heavy snow in a very short period of time, affect your travel all up and down the lakeshore. And as that little low just kind of works its way away from us, we start to see our skies calm down. But there could be a quick burst of snow tomorrow evening, and then we'll see our winds turn around to the south, and we'll warm things up starting on Sunday, but no precipitation in the wake of that. But this is through a Friday evening. There could be anywhere from 1 to as much as 4 inches of snow in about a 6-hour period, especially right here in Ottawa County and portions of Muskegon County. So if you've got some traveling tomorrow evening, you will need to alter those or be aware of those. And the snow will continue down the lake towards South Haven. That will be by Friday morning. Inland, we're going to see just a light dusting or a light coating. In terms of the rest of the models, you can see most of the snow well off to our south and east, and we'll continue to see that overnight tonight. Then next week, we've got a chance to see some snow that will come in during the day on a Friday and again on next Saturday. Tomorrow, though, it will be mostly clear in the morning and then become mostly sunny with that afternoon snow burst between about 4 and 8 o'clock. Light and variable winds, and they'll become onshore. Highs right around 20 or so. Up north, you'll be in the mid and upper teens. You could see a couple of those flurries perhaps here in Fremont and Greenville, not so much up here in Big Rapids, Baldwin, and Reed City. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll start to see that snow come onshore during the late afternoon and early evening hours. Partly cloudy skies further inland, but highs only in the upper teens. 13 on your side forecast. 24 Saturday as the winds kick in. It might be a little bit breezy, especially at the lakeshore through Sunday as we hit 30. 29 on Monday, dry again on Tuesday as we climb above freezing. And Wednesday will be dry, but 2 systems coming in next week. That will be a mix to some rain on Thursday, and then the rain will change to snow on Friday before it ends. And then next weekend, there could be some significant snow following the following weekend with maybe enough to shovel and plow again.
Oh boy, but with the temperatures going out, at least some of the snow we have now will melt a little.
Yeah, we'll get a little bit of a break in between.
Yes.